That does not mean this entire Quran was given in a book format to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the month of Ramadan. Neither does that mean that all the 114 surahs were revealed in one single month of Ramadan to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but it actually means that Ramadan is the month in which the revelation of the Quran started to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The beginning of the revelation of the Quran started when it was the month of Ramadan. And specifically in the month of Ramadan, when did it start? So we all know it started in Laylatul Qadr. Laylatul Qadr happens to be one of the nights in the last 10 days and in the odd numbered days of the last 10 days of Ramadan. And Laylatul Qadr, Allah Rabbul Alameen mentioned in the glorious Quran about Laylatul Qadr in surah number 97, Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatil Qadr. Most certainly we revealed it in the night of Qadr. And night of Qadr happens to be in the month of Ramadan. So, in other words, the month was the month of Ramadan, and the specific timing when the Quran was for the first time revealed to beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the revelation of the Quran began in the cave of Hira, the first 5 ayat of Surah Al-Alaq, Surah number 96, ayat number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 were revealed in the cave of Hira, as recorded in Sahih al-Bukhari, volume number 1, hadith number 3, where Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was in cave of Hira and the revelation of Quran started to me, and that was Laylatul Qadr in the month of Ramadan.